We have all heard the term ultrasound, the technology that is used for seeing the image of a baby inside its mother's belly.
And beyond, we'll now take that same technology and apply it to seeing things like metals, ceramics, and plastics. A Danvers company is doing just that. Our Doug Meehan explains in tonight's Made a Mess.
Danatronics is the name. Handheld digital ultrasonic detectors is their game.
This is an ultrasonic transducer. It's sending and receiving sound through the plastic.
Dan Carnevale is president and CEO of this Danvers-based company. And the purpose of these high-tech devices? To measure the levels of corrosion and or thickness of things by using ultrasonic sound waves.
So here you can see the extent of the corrosion that we typically see on the inside.
They can be used to detect something as dangerous as eroding infrastructure or inspect the safety of different modes of transportation.
A bridge or a plane or a storage tank. Those are the items that are typically corroding and eroding from the inside, and they need to measure the thickness of them using ultrasound.
It can also provide precision measurements. Take, for example, something as thin as the amount of paint on a car's bumper.
So we can measure down to 1/1000th of an inch of paint on either plastic or on steel. Phil and Michael are assembling some product.
With just 8 employees, Danatronic runs a lean operation. Despite that, this Massachusetts company is one that has global reach and has been called on by some rather large companies with some pretty big names.
British Petroleum, Marathon, Shell, etc., the inspection companies. We sell to automotive companies like General Motors, Mercedes, Toyota.
Dan's been around the world of ultrasonic imaging most of his life. It was his dad, Dr. Edmund Carnevale, who pioneered the technology in Waltham. And despite a brief career detour, this is a family legacy that continues today.
There was one period in my life where I actually started a casino boat in Lynn with some buddies just because I had that entrepreneurial spirit. But but this is kind of in my blood. And in fact, my daughter Courtney works at the company, so it's kind of neat that it continues on that way.
Danatronics has teamed up with other Massachusetts manufacturers to help make those gauges. The printed circuitry boards, they're made in West Bridgewater, and the plastic casings, they're produced out in Sterling. I'm Doug Meehan, WCVB News Center 5.